जोड़ो मातृभूमि की रक्षा के हित जीवन मोह सभी तुम छोड़ो। सुप्रभात। आज के इस कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि विद्यालय के प्रधानाचार्य श्री ए जोसेफ जॉन व उप प्रधानाचार्य श्री एम विजय कुमार, मुख्य अध्यापिका श्रीमती अंजू पी खुराना व विद्यालय के वरिष्ठ शिक्षक श्री योगेश आर्य, श्री ए के कश्यप, श्री एस के प्रसाद व यहाँ उपस्थित सभी शिक्षक गणों का आज की इस परम पुनीत पावन मेला में हार्दिक अभिनंदन व स्वागत है। अब मैं मुख्य अतिथि महोदय विद्यालय के प्रधानाचार्य श्री ए जोसेफ जॉन से निवेदन करना चाहूँगा कि वे ध्वजारोहण हेतु आगे आए। प्रधानाचार्य श्री ए जोसेफ जॉन।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा। हिंद हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जगति तरंगा। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे।
भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय। भारत माता की जय।
Dear Vice Principal, Headmistress, the senior most teachers, those who are going to get retired on this month, Sri Yogesh Arya, Sri A.K. Kashyap, Sri S.K. Prasad, and the awardees in the cluster level AES awardees for this year 2020, Sri Kapil K. Kadwai, PGT, and Srimati Shobha Shangle, PRT. Dear teachers, those who are imparting education for the development of our nation, and my dear students, wish you a very happy 72nd Republic Day. Why India became independent? It did not have its own rules and regulations. What we had, that was the modified version of the Indian Act 1935 made by Britishers. Immediately after the independence of our country, a committee had been constituted for drafting Constitution of India under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Though the Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949, it came enforced on 26 January 1950. This 26 January has its own significance. On that day, 26 January 1929, the Indian National Congress announced Purna Swaraj on that day. So, this 26 January was accepted as the Republic Day for our nation. We are lucky enough to stay or live in the largest democratic country. The citizen has each and every citizen has the right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, and other rights. The women of our country had no voting power at the time in the British rule as well as before that also. After 26 January 1950, every Indian woman has the right to vote. They have the right to select the government. Yes, dear children and my dear colleagues, we are staying in a very rich country. It has its own cultural values and all. And in this, we have the right to have our own cultures and educational rights also. Previously, only few people, few communities, they were going up for the education. Now, each and every one have the right to get their own education. Now, what you are going to do for this great nation, the great struggle and the sacrifice done our leaders, before getting the responsibility of your family, what you are going to do for the nation, dear children, think it. Every day, I supply oxygen for up to 4 people. Don't you think I am worthy saving? Not saying about me, the each and every tree is informing to you. I am providing, I am supplying oxygen, the valuable pran vayu for you, for 4 people. A single tree is providing oxygen for the 4 people. So today you can take the bridge to plant 1 tree. So it is sufficient for your whole family, the father, mother, and you and your sibling. So dear children, this year our Government of India giving the message that save energy, save water. So if you plant the trees, automatically you can get the water, rain, and you can get plenty of oxygen. For the development of the country, development of a particular city, the trees were cut. But cutting 1 tree, you plant 10 trees. That is sufficient. But dear children, my request to you, please plant 1 tree for your family to get enough oxygen for you. This message is for this special day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Vidyarthi.
धन्यवाद सर। जिए तो सदा इसी के लिए, यह अभिमान रहे यह हर्ष, न्यौछावर कर दे अपना सर्वस्व, हमारा प्यारा भारतवर्ष, हमारा प्यारा भारतवर्ष। अब मैं विश्वनाथ पांडे सर से निवेदन करना चाहूँगा, जिनके मार्गदर्शन में विद्यालय के विद्यार्थियों द्वारा विद्यालय पत्रिका तैयार की गई, उसके विषय में संक्षिप्त जानकारी देने हेतु आगे आए।
नीचे कर दिया ना।
Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, as a man, my learned colleagues, and all the members of the Vidyalaya Parivar. So, happy Republic Day to all of you, and it's a great day to release the school newspaper contributed by the students themselves. And as Sir told that the tree gives us the oxygen and it fosters and it helps us for our survival. In the same way, the tiny tots or the students of the school supply us the necessary energy, right, for our intellectual and professional development. Like the appropriateness of the Republic Day, as we give much emphasis to fraternity. Similarly, the message of our head of the institution, Principal Sir, goes with the message of fraternity or what we call the Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. We all are equal in the eyes of law, and we have social justice, fundamental rights, and fundamental duties. Keeping in view the Republic Day and the appropriateness of the program, our students have contributed their writings in the same way. For example, they have described in a good way regarding the development done by Indian Space Research Organization and DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization, India's economic development since 1950, and most importantly, India's response to COVID-19. What is important is that this is a very tough time. The post-COVID-19 situation has put us on stumbling blocks. We are always in a restrictive zone, but in spite of all odds, all difficulties, our students have transformed every crisis into opportunities. And my sincere gratitude to our school administrators, principal sir, vice principal sir, SMM, my colleagues, all the departments, and the members of the Department of English. Similarly, our technical assistants like Sparsh Tyagi sir, Anup Pathak sir, Vijay Shukla sir, and they have all contributed in a great way. Years before, maybe 1.5 years before, Vijay Shukla sir gave a proposal that most of the schools in India, like Doon schools and some international schools, have their own school newspaper and school magazine done by students themselves. So why not our initiative be taken on our part? And to say in a very few words, Sri Vijay Shukla sir is the brainchild of this program, right? And all of us have supported it. He is always an instrumental force behind that. And it's a good moment, great moment itself to appreciate him. So keeping in view the restriction of the time, it's a high time to release it, right, amidst our school administrators, the guests on the occasion, right, and our 2 AES national awardees. Yes, sir. So now I will proceed towards the release of the school newspaper.
अब मैं हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि महोदय विद्यालय के प्रधानाचार्य सर से निवेदन करना चाहूँगा कि वे विद्यालय के विद्यार्थियों द्वारा तैयार की गई पत्रिका का विमोचन करें और साथ ही में हमारे विद्यालय के उप प्रधानाचार्य श्री एम विजय कुमार सर, मुख्य अध्यापिका श्रीमती अंजू पी खुराना मैडम, विद्यालय के वरिष्ठ शिक्षक योगेश आर्य सर, श्री ए कश्यप सर, एस के प्रसाद सर, कपिल सर व शोभा मैडम, सभी से निवेदन करना चाहूँगा कि साथ में ज्वाइन।
सर थोड़ा सा आगे आइए, थोड़ा सा जॉन सर लेता ही थोड़ा सा पीछे। वन मोर।
जो भरा नहीं है भावों से, बहती जिसमें रसधार नहीं, हृदय नहीं वह पत्थर है जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं, जिसमें स्वदेश का प्यार नहीं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सभी का। अभी 8 बजे हमारा जो वर्चुअल प्रोग्राम है बच्चों का ऑनलाइन वो शुरू होगा और उसके बाद में सभी शिक्षकगणों को जो रिफ्रेशमेंट है उसके लिए सभी आमंत्रित है। तो आज का प्रोग्राम यही। तो धन्यवाद बहुत बहुत।